Gillespie from HealthyTreatsMarket.com and my friend Julie. You'll probably recognize her from another video. I think we've done 1 or 2 other videos before. So she is now down how much? 35. She's down 35 pounds now. And her weight's been, but your weight's been coming off start, stop. Yeah. So it's kind of been slow, and it's been like, she won't lose weight for like 3 weeks, and then all of a sudden she's down 7 pounds. And that's kind of how it's been going for her. Lucky number 7. But I want to show you some of the different things she's doing. A lot of the recipes that you're going to see on my recipe book that I'm going to add, a lot of it is going to come from Julie. I don't want to speak for you. You might know better. The only thing is I'm louder, so it's easier. I hope you guys can read me. You're kind of way too far probably for them to hear.
Well, whatever.
But I just want to tell you guys, I'm going to speak for you because I'm way louder than you. She made lemon coconut cookies, lime coconut cookies, key lime cookies. So in the recipe book, we're going to call them key lime cookies. She made snickerdoodle cookies. Okay, and these are all super simple recipes, like 30 seconds to throw together, and then 10 minutes in the oven. And then what are these ones?
White chocolate, ginger,
lemon.
lemon.
Ginger, white chocolate chip cookies. Okay, these are just 3 of them. And then the other thing she does, she doesn't like to use the microwave, so she bakes everything. So one of the things she did is, like, when she's making a mix, so let's say the chocolate cake mix, she will put about, 2 tablespoons sauerkraut.
Yeah.
So in a 1/4 cup mix, she rinses and squeezes 2 tablespoons of, and chops 2 tablespoons of sauerkraut. And she mixes it in there, and she said then she bakes it for 27 minutes.
Yeah.
27 on 350
in
the silicone cupcake containers. I'm telling you, they come out so delicious and so moist. Like if you're craving a brownie, this has the texture of a brownie when you add the sauerkraut to it. And it tastes like a German chocolate cake because you can't tell that the sauerkraut is not coconut. It just tastes like it's got that coconut crunchy texture in it. So she's just very creative. She's a big texture person. So if you guys are into texture, you want to see Julie and talk to Julie, she will help you a lot. You need to friend her on Facebook. Well, do you want to say anything before we go?
Diet's so easy. Not diet, way of living.
It's a way of living, yes. It is so easy, guys. This is not a diet. This is a lifestyle. Like, Julie has not changed anything except the way you're eating, right?
Yeah.
That's it. And she's down 35 pounds. It's just what you put in your mouth is what matters, okay? And that's the one thing about us. You're eating the same foods. You're eating cookies and burgers and cupcakes and Reese's peanut butter cups
and smoothies.
But you're eating them super clean with no sugar, no flour, but they taste like the real thing. Like, you cannot tell this is not a snickerdoodle cookie, okay? And the recipe's coming up soon, so be sure to be on the lookout for that, guys. Thanks for watching. We love you. Don't forget, go to HealthyTreatsMarket.com to see more recipes. And if you live nearby, come to the Davison Farmers Market. We're open Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, 9 to 5. Thanks for watching. God bless you.